How to delete user on PS5. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the homepage of your PS5. Enter your login credential and then make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are logged in, you will be landing on this page. At the very top right, you can see the settings option. Click on it. And then inside settings, head over to users and accounts. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and the option of delete users will be available to you. Click on it. Once you click on delete users, the users that are connected to this PS5 will be available to you. If you want to remove or delete some of the users, what you want to do is click on their profile. It says if you delete them, their saved data, screenshots, and video clips will also be deleted from your PS5. So once you are ready to delete, click on yes. And there you go, this person has been removed successfully. Likewise, you can delete any of the user from here, and then you'll be good to go. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete user from your PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.